Hi guys, this class is all about how to convert simple present tense into question by using do or by using question words. How we are converting simple present tense into questions. Very simple. Suppose I have taken one example. I go to school every day. Or take any other example. I go to school every day. I see movie every day evening. This word in simple present tense. The sentence is in simple present tense. Suppose I want to convert this simple present tense into a question. How can I convert these into simple questions? Already I told you simple present tense. When we are converting simple present tense into a question, we need to use do or does. When we use do, when we use does. When subject is in apart from when subject is third person singular, in that case only we use do. Remaining all other cases we use do. When subject is in third person singular, in that case only we use does. In remaining all other cases we use do. Okay, here take I go to school every day. What is the subject here? I is a subject. Suppose no, I don't want to take you. You can take you. You go to school every day. You go to school every day. Take you can go to school. You go to school every day. You can from it is see. I have written some structure. By seeing this, you will like you are able to remember very easily. Take this subject. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. I go to school. I go to school every day. See, then just we go to school every day. These are all words in simple present tense only. See, next you can take you go to school every day. You go to school every day. Can take they go to school every day. They go to school every day. Means suppose when subject is in third person singular. See in that case how we are converting. See this is the he she it is a third person singular. In this case we need to use does. See he he goes to school every day. He goes to school every day. Take this. Can she goes to school every day? It goes to school every day. Usually this word we won't speak. While coming to grammatical construction, this should be the right. But usually like, it goes to school. We can't call like this, right? It means it's a physical object. Pen. If anyone throws pen there, please take it. Please bring it like that. We call right. It goes to school. It doesn't give any meaning. But the coming to construction word, it is correct, but it doesn't giving any meaning. Likewise, like why we write goes here, because subject is in third person singular followed by the verb, we need to add s or es to the verb. There should be some conditions when we need to add s, when we need to add es. First we will see our first we will complete our do exercise. See, I go to school every day. We go to school every day. You go to school every day. They go to school every day. See, just I haven't do. Just I add, see here, see you can see nothing there. See, you can copy, see, do. Do I go to school every day? You can it is converted into the questions. Just nothing I have added. Just I added do. Do I go to school every day? Do we go to school every day? Do you go to school every day? Simply you can add do here. Do we go to school every day? Do you go to school every day? Do you go to school every day? You guys can practice with different verb other than go. See, I see movie every day evening. I see movie every day evening. Do I see movie every day evening? See, do we see movie every day evening? Do they see movie every day evening? Likewise, you can convert into the questions. You can ask the question directly. See, likewise, you can convert into the questions. Take any other verbs and practice your own. Definitely, you will get a confidence. While writing also automatically it will come. Based on the first subject and followed the helping verb. Based on that you will take a decision. Oh, see here, I is a subject. I is a I go to school. I go to school every day. Means I is a subject. Subject is in other than third person singular. Then we need to use do. I, we, you, they. In these cases, we need to use you need to use do. In other cases, when subject is third person singular. Third person. What is a third person singular? Already you know. He, she, it. In that case only we need to use does. Very simple. Nothing I am doing in it. Just do I go to school every day? Do we go to school every day? Suppose if I want to add questionnaires in front of do, so how the construction will be now? See the same words, the same word I have taken. Like see I convert like what do I go to school every day? Where do I go to school every day? When do I go to school every day? See how do I go to school every day? Which do I go to school every day? It is giving meaning. No, right? This kind of words we won't talk regularly. You have here in this case you have to use some common sense and speak whether this word is useful to you or not. Coming to the construction, which this is correct, but it is not giving a such a meaning. So Sri, which do I go to school? Which do I go to school? This is not giving any meaning. Coming to construction, right? It is correct, but this is but this is wrong. But while speaking this, no one will be used, right? Like it is not giving a such a meaning. S- See, like wait, like what is we have now we have seen all the do cases. Now we will go to, you can practice with, take a different verbs and practice it like a different verbs. Go, like see, complete, complete, and see, have, speak. Take any verbs and practice it your own. Write a take it as a homework and complete different tenses with a different verbs with all these persons by using question word like this. Where we see, where we see him, where we see him every day. Like when we see him every day. When we where do we see him every day? When when do we see him every, like word, you can add do and write the complete sentence, few sentences in do by using do, few sentences with do and question word. Now we are going to does. See here is the same logic. See, does he goes to school? Does he go to school every day? Take well construction, sorry. I'll come into the, we'll take only this part. He go, see, he goes to school every day. Suppose I want to convert this sentence into question. When see, I have to check subject is third person singular. Subject, the first line subject is third person singular, so I need to use does. Does does he go to, does he go to school every day? Does he go to school every day? So I want to add a questionary to this. Where 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 does she go to school every day? Where does he go to school? Where does he go to school every day? See, where does he go to school every day? Just I have added here where in front of does. Where does he go to school every day? Where does he go to school every day? Just just this is added to do. Here we have deleted this and we have added here. Where does she go to school every day? Likewise, you can write like how does she go to school every day? Like you have to use questionnaires. Here I have used he. We will practice with she. Where does she go to school every day? We can write it as she. You can write it as she. Like you can write it as it or anything. In subject place, you can write it as it. Where does it go to school every day? Where does it go? How does it go to school every day? Likewise, you can convert these as simple present tense into questions. Like we will see some examples. We'll practice some examples. See here what we need to place. You speak English. You you speak English. You is which per you is third person singular? No, only third person singular. He, she, it. You is coming to first person. Here for first person, what we need to use? We need to use do. We need to do. Do you speak English? This is the correct answer. If they come, they will verify. They will surprise. If they come, they will surprise. This is the subordinate class. This is the main class. When there is one condition, when subordinate class in simple present tense, main class should be in simple future tense. There, if they means it's a third person plural. If they do come, if they do come, I will be very surprised. See the third example. He always behave like this. He always behave like this. He is what? It is a third person singular. Here what we need to use does. He always he always behaves like that. Does he always behaves like that? You're asking a question. Does he always behave like that? See, now they know that they are my sisters. Means what we have to add here? They is a third person plural. Here we need to add do. Only third person singular. We need to add does. Other in all other cases do. Do they know? Do they know that you are my sister? This is the exercise we have seen it. I think now we are very clear about how to convert simple present tense into a question. Just nothing. You have to add. You have to use do and does while converting into the question. Now we will learn how to convert simple present into the questions by using do with the question words. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.